I'm Aiman. Welcome back to one of my tool review videos. Today we're going to be talking about the DeWalt carbon fiber squeeze tacker. And according to my dad, it's a stapler, but I guess you could also call it that for now. And the reason that we bought this stapler gun, or this squeeze tacker, was to do many garden projects. As you can see right here, we're trying to fasten these plastic bags to the inside of this garden box, and we're trying to fasten that fence to those posts. In the past, what my dad has done is use nails instead, and he sort of bent them in order to fasten sort of this net to this frame. But now we have an even more convenient solution right here. Alright, so just for another demonstration, basically you can see with these nails, it's kind of jiggly and stuff, but when we use the tacker, you can see it's pretty firm, pretty tight, and it's not going anywhere. Let's try it over on the post over here. As you can see, right now it's a bit loose. So the solution to that, Alright, so as you can see, when we nail it in, it's pretty firm. Let me try that again. As you can see, it's pretty firm in there. And sometimes I see with these other ones, it might not go deep enough. And that's because before we were using 1/4 of an inch staples. But actually, this carbon fiber, no, I shouldn't say carbon fiber. This tack stapler can basically hold up to, I think, 9/16 of an inch staplers. So it can go pretty deep. Alright, so it can use a variety of sizes of staples and tacks. Right now we don't have tacks, but we do have staples. On the side of the stapler, you can actually see what sizes it does accept. So 1/4 of an inch to 9/16 of an inch, and for brad nails, 1/2 an inch to 5/8 of an inch, or basically 18 gauge. In terms of staples, it takes, standard T50 staples. And right now, I'm going to show you what the staple refilling process looks like. So right now, all you have to do is push down on this and pull it out. As you can see, there's already staples in there, and I guess we'll just use this one. All you have to do is slide it in there, and then slide this back in until it locks. And as you can see, that staple refill was pretty easy. Let's try this again. There we go. I mean, as you can see there, pressure treated wood is very hard, and it went in pretty flush. I probably wouldn't recommend it on using it on like brick or something, but as you can see, as far as this, it's pretty good. This is what the stapler or tack gun looked like when it first came in the package. And it's actually pretty good. Like, it's pretty easy for someone like me to use. I do think that for someone with smaller hands, this might be a bit too wide. Like, I know my mom, because she has really tiny hands, and I get that from her, even though I'm fine, she probably might not be able to bridge the gap. But I think for most people, it's ergonomic enough. And according to most people, I think there's a 95% approval rate online, so according to reviews. Did I say approval rating? I meant positive reviews, 95% positive reviews. But anyway, I just took a look at the product page online. This goes for around $35 at Home Depot. You can probably get it cheaper somewhere else. It's made out of carbon fiber, so obviously it's going to be lightweight. It's probably going to be half the weight, according to the website, it's going to be half the weight of other fasteners like it. It has an ergonomic handle, apparently. And according to my dad, he was testing it on the playground, and that's about 8 feet height. So he dropped it a few times. Don't tell Home Depot. And it still works pretty fine. If I didn't mention it before, this also has something where basically there's no jams. So this thing is jamless. So, the word I was looking for is jam-free. And it weighs 15 ounces. So, like I said earlier, it's very light. But that's it. So I'm Aiman, and today I showed you, or reviewed, this DeWalt, and I guess I'll mention the model number right now, the DWHT 80276 Squeeze tacker, or as some might know it, a staple gun. And it's pretty good. So, I'm Aiman, and thanks for watching. Please like or comment, subscribe, and look at other videos on EyeOnAiman, especially now that it's spring and everything. And as you can see behind me, everything is starting to transform. We're going to be doing a lot more videos on gardening, and we're going to be utilizing this, I guess, staple gun as we're going to be using it a lot more. So, go check it out in those videos, and I'll see you there. But for now, I'm Aiman, and signing out. Peace.